Standard 5th English Revision for First Unit Test Revision Video Part 2. We completed question 1 Give meanings and question 2 Multiple choice questions in the first video. Next we'll be studying Match the Following. Now if you go through your class notes you may find that there are no Match the Following. What I will be doing in the question paper will be I may give name of festivals in one column and in the other column I'll give the day of celebration or the place of celebration. For example, from the given details here, there is 15th August and Nand Utsav or Dahi Handi. And in place of celebration, there is given West Bengal, all over India and Gujarat or Maharashtra. So for Independence Day or for 15th August, you'll have to match it with all over India. Is this clear? I expect you guys to be having that much general knowledge. Like for 15th August, you should be able to say that it is a national festival. It is celebrated all over India. Okay? So let's just revise what we studied about these festivals. First festival was Independence Day. The day of celebration is 15th August and it is a national festival. It is celebrated all over India and the significance is that India got freedom on 15th August 1947. That is why Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Next festival was Nand Utsav or Dahi Handi. Shravan month has begun, so we will be having Janmashtami and the day after Janmashtami is the day of Nand Utsav or Dahi Handi. It is celebrated on the 9th day of Krishna Paksh of Shravan, that is after Janmashtami. It is a religious festival. This celebration is done in Gujarat and Maharashtra and the significance is the birth of Lord Krishna. Next festival is Holi, the festival of colors. The day of celebration is Purnima of Fagun month. The type of festival is religious as for the significance of victory of good over evil and seasonal because it is the beginning of the spring season. The places of celebration is all over India. Next festival is Eid. The picture given was of Ramadan Eid. If it would have been of Bakrid, we can know that. But it was of Ramadan Eid, so the festival is Eid. The day of celebration is first day of the Islamic month of Shawwal. The type of festival is religious. Places of celebration all over the world and significance, it marks the end of fasting in the month of Ramadan. Next festival is Dasera. Now students, we were doing this exercise with the pictures, but in your question paper, there won't be any pictures. From the name also, you can easily make out. The day of celebration is 10th day of Shukla Paksh of the month of Ashwin. Now, if I had given you this question in the form of answer the following questions, it may be getting tough for few students. So instead of that, in match the following, it will be easy. The type of festival is religious. Place of celebration is all over India and the significance is it celebrates the victory of Ram over Ravan. Next festival, Baisakhi. The day of celebration is April 13th or 14th. The type of festival, it is an agricultural festival or harvest festival. Place of celebration, Punjab, and significance, it marks the Sikh New Year. Last festival is Durga Puja or Durgotsav. The day of celebration is first 10 days of the Shukla Paksh of the month Ashwin. Type of festival is cultural. The places of celebration are West Bengal, Assam and other eastern states. The significance is it celebrates the victory of goddess Durga over the buffalo demon Mahishasur. Now students, after this chapter, we also studied two letters where another two festivals were talked about. It was Navroz or Pateti and Bihu. I can also ask you from those two festivals. Another kind of match the following I can ask is about writing the related expressions with the occasion. For example, in front of birthday celebration, the options given may be happy anniversary, congratulations, get well soon, happy Mother's Day or happy birthday. You know, for birthday celebration, we greet with happy birthday. Same way for all the other occasions. So let's just revise them. For wedding celebration or for marriage anniversary, we say best wishes or congratulations or happy anniversary. For good result in exam, we say well done, keep it up or congratulations. For promotion in job, we greet with congratulations. When a relative is sick, we say get well soon. And for Mother's Day, we wish with Happy Mother's Day. What can be for Father's Day? Yes, it is Happy Father's Day. For Friendship Day, Happy Friendship's Day. Easy, right? That will be all with match the following. Question 1, 2 and 3 were objective questions and they were really small. In the next video, we'll be studying question 4. Answer the following questions.